Alright everyone, welcome back. My name's Anthony and this is my channel. I'm out there. I'm just trying to build up the motivation to swap out the ECU and then take it back to dyno. We'll see what happens. What's going on? So this car here, last year we put an engine in it, a JDM motor from overseas. I think it's got near 300,000 miles on it, maybe even over 300,000 miles. We've done so much work to help this guy restore this car. We just did wheels and tires, brand new, upgraded to that. I also restored the original wheels for him. He took them home for storage. He had Mako do the paint and body work. We had to fix a lot of fit and fitment on this car. And I think he's here to have the entire rear suspension rebuilt. And he did order the parts from Japan for this. So we did the struts and I think bushings and links. And I said at 300,000 miles, dude, if you're really trying to just make this car right, we need to restore the rest of the suspension components. But I mean, look how nice this is. I call it a Lancer GT. I don't know if it is a Lancer GT. It's probably just a Lancer. But this thing is such in good condition. And we actually helped him. We helped him restore this. I mean, the interior is nice. The steering wheel is not beat to death. If you would have saw this car before the condition it is now, you would say, "Holy crap! It was ready for the junkyard." But it wasn't. And how we started this with this guy is he was having issues with Manny, Mo, and Jack, and then he wound up coming here, and we wound up showing him the difference between seasoned master mechanic with tons of experience versus I don't know over there. And then he became our customer, and then he was still using them a little bit, and eventually he finally stopped after he didn't know that his engine had major oil consumption issues. And then that eventually cost him his engine at 300,000 miles. And we're like, hey, no problem, dude. He's like, I love this car, I'm gonna restore it. So could you imagine 300,000 miles worth of wear on the hood, the bumper cover? You know, this generation of Mitsubishis, the paint quality really wasn't good. The roof had rust in it because the paint has been missing for so long. But yeah, this car came out amazing. And this is one vehicle that we helped restore. It has the original transmission. Still has a bunch of original components under the hood. The JDM motor swap came with, I believe, all the accessories except for the AC compressor. And we did actually use the intake spec from Japan. And we also used the exhaust manifold spec from Japan, which is more of a header versus a manifold style. So the engine's a little bit more throatier, but it makes a little bit more power. So that was just my idea. Hey, let's just keep the engine all the way JDM instead of putting the US intake and US exhaust manifold on. Still has CAT, still has the original exhaust. It's been repaired. The front end's had some work done to it, but I don't believe that he's restoring that part of it. I forget. I do know that today is going to be a rear suspension build. But yeah, I'm pretty positive this is over 300,000 miles. So what kind of investment is in this car that he has? If you exclude him buying new wheels and tires, I would tell you I think it cost him around $12,000 so far to restore this car, which is a drop in the bucket. Drop in the bucket. The original engine abused, not being taken care of at another shop, not being monitored for health checks, right? You come in, hey, pull the oil stick, even if he's not there for an oil change, say, oops, we got a problem here. You know, let the customer know about it. Just like this. 1986, nothing wrong with the motor and trans. Drove it for a couple years and then boom. Fix and repair and make it last forever. Crazy, right? So some of the stuff we do here at my shop, and a lot of shops, I don't really know too many regular garages that do that type of, I don't want to call us a restoration shop, although we do restore certain systems and components. I mean, if you wanted fenders, hood, radiator support, quarter panels, sunroof, top, A-pillar, we do all that stuff here. So, all right, we're gonna see what we're gonna get ourselves into today. Supposedly, our appointments have all confirmed, and we had phone calls for other work. So it's just a slow start here. Thanks for watching.